Hello learners, welcome to Cash Education. Today we will see how to draw the heart infographic. You can introduce 3 different points here, have relevant text, put a title in the center. It is good for medical presentations, for hospital-based presentations or pharmaceutical also. So let's see how to draw it. Take a fresh new slide, go to Insert, under Shapes, choose the circle. Hold down the Shift key to draw the circle. Remove the shape outline and align it to the center of your slide. Right click, go to Format Shape and increase the transparency. Again go to Insert, under Shapes, choose your heart. Now draw the heart without pressing your Shift key. So this is enough. I'm going to reduce the outline, give it some other color and increase the transparency. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to adjust it to the center and this is good enough. I'm going to Insert, Shapes and choose the circle. Now I want to draw an oval. So I will draw an oval like this without holding the Shift key. Remove the outline. I'm going to select the heart, under Home, click on Format Painter and go to your oval. So now your same effect is copied. What I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to make that gaps between the 3 different parts that we will have. So for which I need to have these oval figures. Okay. If you like, you can change the color so that it becomes more visible and this seems better. So we can reduce a little. Click on the other one and this is good enough. I'm going to select both. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Let's shut down this window for now. Rotate them and bring them here. Okay. Let's adjust them. Now let's take the second circle and try to have that good shape, and this is good enough. Again duplicate this and now we are trying to have the last fragment. So this is enough. Everything's been adjusted well. You can turn it a little if you like. Yeah. So this seems a better alignment now. Don't worry if your window keeps dancing. It's okay. So we've got everything now. You're going to select all of it. You can go ahead by doing this. So you know that everything has been selected. Okay. Go to Format, under Shapes, Merge Shapes, click on Fragment. Now you're going to remove everything which is outside and not relevant. Now this is the small fragment which is going to create that beautiful gap for you. So remove it right away so that you understand that this is going to be your first figure, this is going to be your second figure, etc. Okay. So now I have revealed all of my faces. I just have to remove everything else from the center to reveal my heart. Okay. So you see everything else has been removed and I've got my shape. Now I just have to join all of them and merge them together. So I will choose these small figures. Under Format, go to Merge Shapes, click on Union. Choose the small figure. 3 of them are here. Under Merge Shapes, click on Union. Again the same. It's a small part here. Go to Merge Shapes, click on Union. Now you've got all individual pieces as you can see. Right click on any one of the shape, go to Format Shape, give it some color. I have my colors ready in the color pane here. Go to Shape Effects, click on Shadow. Under Shadow, I'm going to select this one. Okay, I'm going to increase the transparency, the size, and definitely the blur. So I'm happy with this effect. Let this piece be selected. Go to Home, Click on Format Painter, click on your second part. Again click on Format Painter, click on your third part. And now you see that the effect is same all through. Now I just have to color the figures. So I have my colors ready and I'm going to color them using the color dropper tool. So you see everything is well copied now. I'm going to select all of them, group them together and increase the size a little. Okay, that's too much. Now make sure you're holding the shift key when you are trying to increase the size, or else you will keep dragging in only one direction. I have my text ready here. So I'm going to copy my text and paste it on my infographic. So you see almost there, almost a right fit. I'm just going to align everything that's out of place. Okay. So now this is very appropriate, I feel. Okay. So now we have completed and we have got our infographic. So you see this is how very easily we can prepare this kind of infographic. It's very appealing and very new to see, something you've not seen before in PowerPoint. And you can use it in 3 different formats. I've made them for you. So this is the one where you can put your number and some text related here. In the second one, you can put the number and the title, and then you can go ahead and explain the title when you're speaking. The third one has the number, the title, as well as the subtitle. So these are the 3 types of formats that you can have for this type of infographic. If you like this video, give it a try. Let me know in comment section. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you again next time. Thank you.